Yes, sir, there is. Sam Dene.
Sam Dene, the Encyclopedia of Reno Government, and it does my heart good to be able to come to the podium and talk about good things now and then. And Mr. Hartung there said it perfectly. These people do not really get the credit. They sit in the background and they do the hard work, and they really take a lot of pressure off of the law enforcement, because a lot of the problems are stopped before they get to the area of requiring law enforcement, and these folks are part of that, a valuable part of that. And I like that word backbone that you used several times during this thing. They are the backbone of the community. They're down in there. You don't think much about your backbone until it's hurting, and when it's hurting, it's really bad news. So they are the backbone, and they're doing a great job. And by the way, I liked that Ms. Young gave me those accolades. I think she was trying to make up for that brouhaha between the two of you from the last meeting relative to, I don't remember what the issue was. Oh yeah, water. It wasn't about marijuana, it was about water. That was a very interesting brouhaha. By the way, I even put it on YouTube for the folks who like to see excitement at the county commission meetings. And anyway, speaking of backbones, you know how I hate to clap myself on the back because my backbone is back there and I can't get my arm around there. But I'd have to say that Sam Dene and the Two Wild Yankees band is a little small part of the backbone of this social work. At the last count, the Two Wild Yankees band has performed 4,760 philanthropical entertainment musical concerts for the seniors and the veterans. I don't know what part that plays in the whole operation, but I think it helps as far as the social work goes. And by the way, I think my adoring fans out there listening to my music and my jolly repartee have a good time. And I actually have at least as good a time as they do. I appreciate being able to do that philanthropically as much as I think they appreciate my doing it. And as far as another part of the backbone of social work, for those who don't know it, virtually every time Sam comes to the city council or the county commission podium, all of his words are out there on YouTube. And it is a social gathering to be able to watch that stuff, having a couple of beers and just watch the Sam Dene show on YouTube. Oh, and by the way, also for Mrs. Young, I've been negligent on my Haberdasher of the Week award. She wins it today. The Haberdasher of the award for her outfit that the folks can't really see because she's behind the dais there. Last but not least, speaking of social work, I noticed that several of you gave your cards to this young man back here. He is a brilliant go-to guy. No paper on the wall, but he can really, really help you.